60 seconds to manifest the life you desire. Hi everyone, this is Risha. I'm a law of attraction and manifestation coach. In this channel, I'll be sharing easy techniques and practices to manifest the life you desire. As always, in this channel, I share with you all very easy techniques which can be practiced anywhere, any point of time, and consistently. Like anything else in life, consistency is the key while doing these practices as well. There are so many practices I have shared in the past, like visualization, 55 by 5, mirror work. Be it whatever, along with the faith you have, you need to consistently do this practice to see the results coming. Irrespective of that, still people face challenges, still they are not able to manifest what they desire. This does happen. They're not able to visualize, they don't feel connected when they do a practice. All this does happen because of the programming which is there within us. We all have a program set within us because it could be due to our upbringing or due to the past experience in the life or the kind of people we are surrounded with or the situations what we see around. Most of the time, it's very likely that we get too influenced by that and that gets into our mind. No matter whatever practices we try to do, still you may not be able to see the benefits mainly due to this reason. So the technique today what I'm going to teach you is going to help you eradicate that programming. So before we get into this, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and press that bell icon to get the notification for all my latest videos. Now let's get into the technique. So in this technique, what you're supposed to do is choose that one thing, like always, being very clear in what you want to manifest at this point of time is very important. So choose that one thing what you want to manifest now, and then choose a phrase connecting to it. I'm not going to tell you to say any affirmation or visualization. It's only because a lot of people, this particular video is what I'm sharing for the people who are not able to manifest anything, even with the different practices. Maybe sometimes it also happens, maybe a 17-second rule, you're able to manifest a wonderful job, but you're not able to manifest a relationship. Or it could be a 55 by 5, you would have been able to manifest a life partner, but you're trying to manifest an amazing job, but you're not able to do, or welcome wealth into your life, it's not happening. This is mainly because of the strong limited beliefs what we have. These techniques are not working because most of these techniques have affirmations involved, visualization involved, wherein I always say you need to tell it in present tense. When I say I am wealthy, I am abundant, I am perfectly healthy, probably because of your thoughts being so strong on the negative things, you're not able to actually believe when you say these affirmations, and these techniques are not really working for you. In these kind of situations, this 60 seconds will be like tipping point to reach your manifestation goal. So what you need to do in this is, once you choose your intention, let us say you're looking at attracting wealth into your life. You want to see more money coming into your life. You want to generate more income through multiple sources. Then just pick up one word. Let's say you could choose word as wealth or money. Keep the timer on for 60 seconds and only tell these words: money, wealth, money, wealth, money, wealth, something like a chant. Keep telling it without thinking what's going to happen by telling this, or is there any meaning with this. Don't think about it at all. Just tell these words for 60 seconds and then just go on with the day. Over a period of time, when you do this, the intention is to remove that limiting beliefs. Remove that programming what you have, where you might be having a need for money, or like you're having so much want as well. Sometimes when you're in that want mode as well, the manifestations are really slow. Need and want is two different things. Though we say we all want something and we want to stay in that moment of saying, I already have it, when you desperately show that want or need, your manifestations doesn't happen. So in this technique, you're not going to think about anything. You're not going to visualize. You're not going to tell an affirmation. You're just going to tell that phrase. So will be the case if you're going to manifest perfect health. Just say healthy, 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 healthy for 60 seconds. Or perfect health, perfect health, perfect health, perfect body, whatever it is, for 60 seconds. If it is the relationships you're wanting to manifest, use the word love. No matter you're trying to manifest a life partner or amazing friends or whatever kind of a relationship you're wanting to manifest, still love is something really required to get that relationship happening. So you tell the word love, 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 love for 60 seconds. Keep the timer on, choose this word and tell this for 60 seconds. Just do this for a few days and you will notice that your belief system has become much more stronger in that particular context. If you're talking about money, you will see that your faith on money has increased. You're more confident when you say an affirmation like, I am healthy. I am ready to receive money from the universe. I am ready to get all the wonderful opportunities. You will see that you are confident. The moment you are confident, that is when you will see that it is much easier. You will be moving at a lightning speed to manifest whatever you want. Try out this technique and let me know how you feel about this. And were you able to move ahead with the manifestation, or are you still facing any challenges? Do reach out to me in the comment section and I'll try my best to help you achieve whatever you want. If you have liked this video, press like and see you soon in my next video. Take care. Thank you for watching.